What's up everybody, Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today I'm excited to go ahead and review and unbox the TOZO T5 Sport. Now the TOZO T5 Sport is a competitor of the Apple or the PowerBeats Pro model, which is Apple's or Beats version of an athletic over-the-ear earbud that really can compete with you while you're working out and exercising at high capacity movements. The T5 Sport is something I look forward to reviewing and comparing. And before I go ahead and unbox these earhook earbuds, hit the like button for us and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews on technology stuff, as well as leaks on upcoming smartphone devices. Let's get into this video. The TOZO T5 Sport. This is a pretty standard packaging. If you look here, you're getting your Apple-esque packaging from TOZO. Now, I reviewed several TOZO products already on the channel, so check out all those videos. I'm excited to see how these stay on my ear, because with my past TOZO products, some of the earbuds did fall out, and I would consider if I'm jump roping or something like that, they're really not going to stay in. That's why the T5 Sports are different. They're meant to go over the ear and really conceal it. So the box shows you that this is rich and powerful noise canceling microphone. There's no indication of battery. However, I do know that information. You're getting color markings. It's made in Shenzhen, China, and there's a QR code for the guide. Really simple. There's not much detail here. It doesn't show that it's waterproof or not. So let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. Best part of the packaging, guys. Best part. And it slides out like so. Again, designed by TOZO. You get to activate your 18-month warranty if you fill out their information. In here, just like Apple, you're getting your manual and a few other things. Here are some wearing steps. So as you could see, these fit really well over the ear, and I'm excited. I think for the price point, they're going to be excellent. The manual does have some simple instructions: play and pause, double tap for the previous on the left earbud, and then hold to reduce volume, and then you could press it once to hang up and accept a call. Now if you hold it, it'll reject the call. On the right side, it does everything. So left side, you're skipping backward, right side, you're skipping forward, and you can answer the phones and everything as well. And that's in this little instruction booklet which comes with it. Then you get a more detailed manual, and their manuals are pretty good in multi-languages. This is a worldwide product, obviously made in China, but TOZO has done a great job with their manual and their products and their packaging for the price. Wow, this looks very similar, and you're getting this Apple plastic kind of cover feel. Have you guys noticed that? I always see this on Apple packaging and products. So you're getting a little protector so your case does not scratch. So this is the protector that came with it. Nice cushioning here. You're getting the very famous TOZO packaging with some additionals. So let's see what's in these additionals here. Inside here, you're getting your additional silicone earbud mounts. There they are, guys. So you're getting them. So if the one that it comes with does not fit your earlobe, you have some alternatives. Then you're getting, I believe, another set of them. Let's take a look. Yep, another set. Because I would imagine these are sweat heavy, so you're going to sweat in these. They're giving you quite a few rubber pads that go in the ear. There are quite a few more here. These have come in the packaging, different sizes, quite a few options for your earlobe. Really cool, guys. And finally, with the packaging, you're getting USB to mini connector, and this is about 10 inches wide or long, I should say. Let's compare the cases. Here's the TOZO T5 on the right, the PowerBeats on the left. You see the thicknesses here. You could tell by the thickness that the TOZO T5 is a wider or fatter looking case. However, it is a lot shorter. So if you compare the two heights, you can see that the PowerBeats are a lot longer in length and may actually take up more space in your pocket. Let's focus on the TOZO T5s. Open up like so. These look great, guys. I mean, the quality, oh, they're lightweight too. This is really nice. There is a little sticker on the bottom here for charging. You do want to remove that. I love these. Oh my God, they feel great. Let me take off the other one. Obviously, there'll be a sticker. So I took the stickers off. You put them in. There's a magnet, okay? So I do feel a good magnet there. And they snap right in. Case closes. They're charging. Really nice. This feels light. I don't know. Let's take a look. What's lighter here? In comparison to the PowerBeats, I have my trusty scale here. go ahead, put the PowerBeats on, 130.9 grams. The TOZOs, 92 grams, 0.8, 92.8, 0.7. Let's pop one out and pop it in my ear. Oh, they feel great. Are you kidding me? They're so light, guys. They feel amazing. I love how light they are. I don't even feel like they're on my ear. I am curious to see, in comparison to the PowerBeats, how much the weight difference really is, because the case with the earbuds inside was lighter. So let's take a look. Let's bring the scale back and see what each of these weighs. So each earbud weighs 8.6 grams. So combined, we're at 17.2. So 8.6 grams, 8.5 grams for the TOZOs. Now for the Beats, let's see what we got. 10.7, okay? So you're getting 21.4 together, or 10.7 versus 17.1, 17.2. Okay, so you had it there. I weighed the TOZO T5 Sport versus the PowerBeats Pro. The TOZOs feel great on my head, on my ear, over the ear. They feel so light. They're as if they're not even there. In fact, they feel more comfortable than the AirPods for me personally. Battery life. They're saying you get 6 hours of battery life of full playtime, and you get 24 hours additional battery life with the charging case. So total of 30 hours, continuous playback 6 hours. The snap is not bad on this. You guys see that? It does not stay open, however. So if you're at an angle, it's just gonna drop, okay? Let's test that with this guy. If you're at an angle, they're not dropping or closing. Have you noticed that, guys? So here's the TOZOs, drops, the PowerBeats stays open. Okay, so the TOZOs have the silicone over ear design that prevents them from falling out and slipping out. So you can move your head around. It doesn't matter. These guys aren't going anywhere. You could jump, and I'm going to actually take them to the gym, try to do a few jump ropes and see if I really have a good fit with these while I listen to some songs. The TOZO T5s also have hi-fi sound. Now, they are saying the bass driver in these earbuds are 12 millimeters larger and 4 times that of a normal earbud this size. So I am expecting a lot of bass out of these guys, and I'll let you guys know if they're just as good as advertised. Does a 12 millimeter make a difference, or is it just some hype and the bass is not there? These guys use Bluetooth 5.0, which is excellent. So you're getting a good, easy pair with the latest smartphones. And because of that, you're also getting crystal clear audio. So you're expecting a faster transfer rate. If you're listening, say, to Apple Music or Spotify or any of these streaming services, the Bluetooth pairing is essential. On the earbuds themselves, earlier I discussed how you press the button. These are touch control sensitive. So you're double tapping, you're single tapping, you're holding. So they are pressure touch sensitive. There is no buttons. They're very slick. If you look at them here, you could tell they're very well made. They're very slender. And at the same time, the touch controls here are a very nice feature. You got the copper battery charging here, and your microphone port at the bottom. So overall, very impressed with the look of the TOZO T5 Sport. I would say it's one of my favorite looks from the TOZO line, and you can check out some of my other TOZO headphone review videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pair these up. I am in Bluetooth. I see TOZO T5. What's interesting is I'm hearing pairing succeed, but I'm hearing an echo. So it's as if both headphones have connected. Now we're on T5s, we're connected. Let's play Apple Music. We'll go into today's hits, nothing crazy, and we'll pick Drake Wants and Needs. Let's see. Let's see if I'm getting bass just from here, okay? Not too happy about the sound, I'll be honest with you guys. So I'm not sure if these were not charged as much, but I'm not getting quality bass here. I have a little distortion as well. So let me pop them back in the case. By the way, once you take them out, because they're not an Apple certified product with the chip, they're still going to play. So let's go ahead, pop these guys in and play the same song. Now these are the PowerBeats Pro. Just want to give you guys a comparison. Much better fit in the ear. They do feel a little heavier, but I'm going to play the same song. Oh my God. Night and day difference, guys. Night and day. Okay. I feel like I got the over the ear headphones from Apple, like the Apple AirPods Maxes almost, or my 1000 XM4s. These did not do well at all with me, and they're charging right now. I'm going to give them another shot and see if that was the reason. They didn't charge enough or whatever it may be. So another issue I'm seeing here with these TOZO T5 Sports, one of the headsets is charging, the other one is not. I don't know if you could see the red light beeping here, but this one is not. And I'm having to push it to see if it'll connect to that little battery slot inside. And it's still having a hard time doing so. So that's another downside of a more flimsier case. I cannot recommend this product at all, unfortunately. I'm curious to see if it's whether or not they were not properly charged. They may not have full battery life. It's not saying low battery or anything like that, but they're distorted. The bass is distorted. It just does not sound good. And I'm having a hard time sometimes even closing this case all the way. So I don't recommend these. I'm not even going to try to go to the gym and see how they fit, because if they don't fit well or work well with me sitting here in my office, I can't even recommend them in the gym. When I compare them to the PowerBeats Pro, these blew me away in comparison to the quality of the TOZO T5 Sport. I would not even buy the T5 Sport. I'd use the TOZO T6, T10, T12, any of those products, the NC9, all of them had better quality speakers than these TOZOs. Anyway, sorry to hear that, guys. I was really excited about the TOZO T5 Sports. Right now, this is a thumbs down. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out techvisibility.com for the latest news in technology and product reviews. And I'll catch you guys here in the next tech review. Thanks for watching and have a good day.